swing in the chain, swing in the chain, swing in the... Well, you must be quite a fighter to make it past my cow. What is it you want?
Evil Betty, I've come to finish something I should have done years ago. Remember these?
Well, you've grown. I thought you looked familiar. Sorry, I didn't recognize you without crap in your pants.
I've trained my whole life for this day.
I spanked you as a baby. I'll spank you now, bitch.
Good luck. Wait! You mustn't. You are not ready. Who are you? Ling's father. Oh dear. No one man can defeat Betty.
When you girls are done kissing, I've got some ass kicking for you.
I have to avenge my family.
At that moment, the Chosen One learned a valuable lesson about iron claws. They hurt like crap, man!
Chosen One! Go!
Shut, Ripper!
Chosen One was clearly not ready. He should have listened to that one boob chick.
Water everywhere! All over me! I'm getting wet! I'm falling! You're falling! We're falling!
Momento.